How did probability change weather forecasting? Imagine trying to predict the weather with just guesswork or simple rules. It would be like trying to hit a moving target blindfolded. That's where probability changed everything. Before probability, weather forecasts were based on observations and old stories passed down through generations. People used patterns they saw in the sky or seasons to guess what might happen next. But these guesses weren't always reliable. The real shift came when scientists started using math to describe the atmosphere. They created complex equations that represented physical laws like how air moves and heat spreads. But solving these equations by hand was impossible because they were so complicated. Then computers arrived and changed the game. They could run these equations quickly, creating what is called numerical weather prediction. These models used current weather data to simulate what might happen next. But because the atmosphere is chaotic and data can be imperfect, forecasts still had limits. They could only be accurate for a few days ahead. That's when probability stepped in. Instead of giving just one prediction, meteorologists began running many simulations with slightly different starting points. This is called ensemble forecasting. Each simulation shows a possible future weather pattern. By looking at all these outcomes, they could assign a percentage chance to different events. For example, instead of saying it will rain tomorrow, a forecast might say there is a 60% chance of rain. This helps people and organizations plan better. If there is a high chance of storms, emergency services can prepare. If the chance is low, people might decide to go ahead with outdoor plans. Recent advances use machine learning to improve these probability models. They analyze huge amounts of weather data to make predictions more accurate and extend how far-ahead forecasts can be trusted. So, probability changed weather forecasting by turning it into a science that can handle uncertainty. It helps us understand that weather isn't always certain, but we can still make smart decisions based on the chances of different outcomes. This approach makes forecasts more useful and easier to trust in our daily lives.